Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check you have the Google account credentials and recovery contact, and that your Android device has Play Store installed and internet access. Next, open Settings and go to Accounts because adding the account there ensures system-wide access. If your device already has a different Google account, decide which to link to Play Store now. Once done, tap Add Account, choose Google, and follow the on-screen sign in prompts to initiate secure linking. You'll now sign in, type your email and password, then accept the Google terms so Play Store can use that account. If two-step verification is active, respond to the prompt or enter the authenticator code. This step prevents unauthorized access and keeps purchases safe. Make sure to permit account syncing so apps, payment methods, and preferences propagate. Once verification finishes, return to the Play Store app. Play Store will detect the newly added account and prepare app listing. You finish by launching Play Store and tapping your profile icon to switch to the linked Google account. This confirms the connection and shows your library and settings. If you plan to buy apps, go to Payments and Subscriptions to add a payment method linked to that account. If Play Store doesn't show the account, clear the app cache, force stop, or remove, and re-add the Google account in Settings. These steps resolve most syncing or authentication hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.